Morning in Bangkok. Not the Bangkok of rooftop bars. Not the Bangkok of giant malls. Not the Bangkok of postcards. This is on Nut. A local neighborhood waking up. One small street. One market stall. One morning routine at a time. In 360 VR, a place like this becomes more than a street scene. You are not only looking at the market, you are standing inside it. Fruits on one side, umbrellas above you, scooters passing nearby, people buying breakfast, vendors preparing for the day. And small details everywhere you turn. This is the kind of Bangkok that many visitors pass through quickly. Maybe on the way to a train station. Maybe on the way to a hotel. Maybe on the way somewhere more famous. But if you stop here for a moment, the city opens up. A local market in the morning has its own rhythm. Not dramatic, not staged. Just daily life beginning again. People are buying fruit, choosing food, talking to vendors, walking through narrow passages, moving carefully between stalls, scooters, baskets, umbrellas and signs. There is no single direction you are supposed to look. The market surrounds you. Look left, you may see fresh fruit. Look right, and someone is preparing food. Look behind you, and the street continues. Look above, and the market roofs, wires, signs and umbrellas become part of the scene. This is why local places work so well in 360 degrees. They do not need to be perfect. They need to be real. And this feels real. A little crowded, a little improvised, a little noisy, a little calm, a little chaotic. Very Bangkok. In the morning light, the market is still soft. The day has started, but it has not become heavy yet. There is movement, but not rush. There are sounds, but not pressure. There are people everywhere, but the atmosphere still feels gentle. For this video, I choose only the calmest moments. Not a full walking tour, not a fast market walk, but a short, curated 360 VR impression of a local Bangkok morning. Because in VR, stability matters. A calm camera gives you time to explore, time to notice, time to choose your own view. Travel is not only about the famous places, it is also about these quiet discoveries. The corners you remember later, because they feel honest. The places where the city was simply being itself. On Not is not trying to impress you. It is not performing for the camera. It is just a neighborhood, moving through the morning. And then, beside the market, the atmosphere begins to change. The everyday movement of the street meets something more formal. A small civic ritual at the local police station. Here, the morning becomes quieter, more ordered, more ceremonial. At the police station, officers gather outside. The street is still nearby. The market is still part of the neighborhood. The BTS line still runs above the road. But for a few moments, the focus shifts. This is a morning flag ceremony. A short formal moment inside the daily life of the city. It is not a tourist attraction. It is not a show. It is simply part of a local morning. And that makes it interesting. Because cities are not only made of markets, stations, temples and traffic. They are also made of routines, signals, small ceremonies, quiet structures, moments that happen whether visitors are watching or not. In 360 VR, you can observe the scenery respectfully. The police station, the flagpole, the street, the people nearby, the elevated train line, the buildings, the morning light. This is one of the reasons I like filming in 360 degrees. It does not only show one subject, it shows context. You can see how things sit beside each other. And in Bangkok, these contrasts often live very close together. This short video is not about a famous landmark. It is about a small morning in Onnat. A market opening, people moving their day, a police station ceremony, and the quiet feeling of Bangkok before the city becomes fully loud. Thank you for watching. This is Panoria 360.